Hello people, my name is Priya Nayak and you're welcome back on my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna talk on how we can live stress free. So there was a time when children used to be like this.
ना नौकरी की चिंता ना रोटी की फिकर कितनी प्यारी होती है ये भोली सी उम्र ना नौकरी की चिंता ना रोटी की फिकर.
And then now children be like,
सारी उम्र हम मर मर के जी लिए एक पल तो अब हमें जीने दो ना 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 sunshine, give me some rain, give me another chance. I wanna grow up once again.
well, I think in one way or the other you all related yourself to whatever we just saw because it's truth as well as the reality of our society. Nowadays you will find that every other child confidently says that Mama, I'm in stress, or hey bro, I'm in depression. It's like a trend nowadays, and these thoughts create a negative environment, not only into our lives but as well as to the ones who are continuously listening to our negative thoughts. So what happened, actually before some days I was also in stress and pressure. I tried a lot of things to get out of it, but I couldn't. Then I met a doctor. He suggested me to do yoga, meditation, and prescribed me some medicines. I took all those and did just as he asked me to do. And then now, when I'm totally fine and happy, I again went to that doctor. He was very happy to see me like this and expected a thanks from my side. But I told that it's not your yoga, meditation, or medicines which cured me. Then he was in a shock and very curious to know about my cure. But before answering him, I asked 3 simple questions. First, have you ever seen cartoons? He said yes. Have you ever seen Tom and Jerry? He said yes. Have you ever seen the episode in which Tom fries Jerry in the frying pan and Jerry tries to escape? He replied laughingly, yeah, I have. Then I asked that what is the thing which made you laugh? Guys, I'm asking the same question to you all. You all have watched cartoons for sure, and my question is, what is the thing which actually make you laugh? Well, he simply replied, the characters means Tom and Jerry. I told no, it's not the characters which make us feel happy, but it is the background music. I'm sure that if we change the music with a sad note, then you won't laugh. For example, you are watching Tom and Jerry and the background music is
बाबुल की दुआएं लेती जा तुझको सुखी संसार मिले.
So, did you laugh? Now watch this. I hope you all have noticed the difference. Friends, the same is true with our lives, and the good thing is that we can control the music of our lives, or in other way we can say that we are the music directors of our own lives. Then we can see the example of 2 great personalities. One is Adolf Hitler and the second one is Helen Adams Keller. Hitler, who was the most powerful man of his time and had all the luxuries in his life, do you know, he did not spend even 6 days of happiness in his whole life of 60s. And on the other hand, there is Helen Keller, a totally deaf and blind lady, and because of that dumb also author of many books, enjoyed each and every moment of her life joyfully. So, what is this? This is the way of our thinking. If we think positive, everything will be positive to us. And if we think negative, everything will be negative to us. It is only our thinking which can make hell out of heaven and heaven out of hell. So guys, there is actually nothing which we can call stress or depression. It all depends on our thinking. That's why it's very important in life to always think positively. Always remember, whether you think you can or you can't, both the times you are absolutely correct. There is actually no situation which you can't overcome, and there is no phase of life which can't be passed on. And as William Ernest Henley had written, I am the master of my fate, I am the captain of my soul. So guys, be stress free, think positive, live happily, and one day world will be yours. Thank you very much for watching this, and stay tuned cause I'll be back soon with some good stuff. Do like, subscribe, share if you find this worth watching, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you once again. Bye bye.